Hello guys, it's Dave and today we are going on to Scratch MIT, which is a gaming site for kids where kids can make games. So let's get started. First, if you are not logged in, just log in and go to create. Now today we are going to learn how to move this cat. We went on to events, and when this green flag is clicked, we'll drag it into the script box, and then we're going to motion and then go to x12. It's not right, x0 and x and y0. Yeah, so we are doing this because if the cat's here, it'll just remain there, but if this is joined and if it's here, it will not remain there. It will just go in the middle, so the people who are watching your game or playing your game or watching your animation, they can see it properly. So now we are going on to events. For that, now we are going to press right arrow. When right arrow clicked, just go to motion and then move 10 steps. And then for control, because when we press right arrow, it's taking very small steps and we need big steps. So I'm going to put repeat 10, duplicate, and then just do like left arrow and then -10. And when I go to this, it's like changing the costume. It's like an animation. So let's put it in that when it goes back and forward. Now let's see it. See? It's so nice. And if it doesn't work, you can just renew your project. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel and please give a big fat thumbs up.